Hello and welcome to another video, and today I have got this for you. It is Autobrite Direct's Citrus Wash. It is an APC, an all-purpose cleaner, and today we're going to be using it as a pre-wash. So, the car that's currently showing you on screen is quite dirty. Being winter, there's a lot of traffic film, salt and heavy dirt from the roads. So we're going to spray the APC on, leave it to dwell for a few minutes, and then we're going to rinse off. The great thing about APCs is you can agitate in certain areas. I find it's particularly useful with bird muck. It's really good at breaking it down and removing it. So, application. It is dilutable, so this is a litre bottle. The instructions, the great thing with Autobrite Direct, they always give you the dilution rates on the bottles of anything that can be diluted. So for light cleaning, they would go 1 to 100, general cleaning 1 to 30, heavy dirt and grime 1 to 8. Now, you can see I have used this product before, and I've always used it at 30 to 1, sorry. So that's 1 ratio of this to 30 water, and I'm going to be applying it through a pump spray. So let me show you how I do that. So I think you'll agree in the footage you could see the top layer of dirt clearly being rinsed away, and as we move around the car we can see it's really gives us a good platform to move on to the rest of the wash. I highly recommend this product from Autobrite Direct. As I say, I've been using this at 30 to 1 dilution ratio, and that's what we use today. But all in all, it's a great product. This one was purchased by myself, so there is no sponsorship ties, no marketing, etc. going through this. But I just hope you enjoyed watching the product in use and I found this useful. Thanks again for watching the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Ooh.